One thing that came up, which is kind of an interesting thing for those of you who are getting into the real estate game, something to consider, is you need to ensure that your tenants have renter's insurance. And not only do you have renter's insurance, because that might sound very self-explanatory, actually any lease that you do or any portal that you go into will actually ask you, do you want to require rentals insurance for your particular tenant? So it's an easy thing to remember. However, when you're getting rentals insurance, something you need to consider is you want to get both the tenant's name on there, or both tenants if you have two different tenants, like have everyone on the policy. And then in addition to that, you want to have your landlord, the owner of the property, on it. And the reason is while the tenant insurance is really meant to take care of the tenant's belongings, you do want something to happen in the house, have that tenant get a check and then skip town. So by including both the owner and the tenant on it, a check would be issued basically in both of their names, which would give some control for your owner if there was something in the house. And that would, of course, allow the owner to have some kind of say in how that money was being spent. Because some of that money may need to go to replacing some of the things in the interior, depending on what happened. So when you're getting rentals insurance, or when you're signing a lease, as part of the stipulations, special stipulations within the lease, you want to say we require renters insurance and we require all people in the house to have renters insurance or to be on the policy. And in addition to that, we also require that the owner be named as an additional insured, is the language listed as an additional insured in that renter's policy.